Hi, my name is Anastasia Regas, and I'm going to be doing a presentation on the effects that human activity has had on the Bornean orangutan and the threats that have led to its demise over the years, so much so that it was placed on the IUCN's critically endangered red list. There are two types of orangutan species, the Sumatran and the Bornean, whose scientific name is Pongo pygmaeus. They grow to be just under a metre tall and weigh between 50 to 90 kilos. These majestic large mammals are covered in orange-red hair with long arms that help it travel through the rainforest canopy. They are located on the island of Borneo in the Malaysian states of Sabah and Sarawak, and in the Indonesian provinces in the north, east, central, and west of Kalimantan. Orangutans thrive in the lowland subtropical tropical rainforests, moving from area to area, feasting on fruits, leaves, barks, flowers, and insects. Unfortunately, Borneo has one of the highest rates in deforestation in the world. Between 2000 and 2007, the rainforest decreased by almost 60,000 kilometers square, with a further 74,000 kilometers square of orangutan habitat that may be lost by 2032. It has been reported that deforestation in Borneo was at a rate of 3,234 kilometers square per year, resulting in a loss of 14,000 orangutans due to logging and palm plantations in those areas. Between 2002 and 2005, most of the illegal logging and timber export took place during this time. Malaysia had around 300 trucks per day transporting timber in the lowland rainforest of Sabah, where critical orangutan habitat resides. During the 70s and 80s, the logging that took place resulted in extremely damaging the rainforest, causing it to lose the ability to regenerate. Sadly, between 2002 and 2005, up to 150 of the Borneo orangutans were killed for food consumption, and another 23% was due to conflict encounters with humans just outside the villages. These threats, combined with palm plantations and logging, resulted in the death of over 100,000 orangutans due to conflict and non-conflict reasons. What makes the Borneo orangutan even more vulnerable to a decline in their population is the fact that they have one of the slowest rates in reproduction in comparison to other primates. Female Borneo orangutans only reproduce every 6 to 8 years, with their first birth being at 15 years of age. The Borneo orangutan plays a vital role in the ecosystem. The consumption of large seeded fruit and the ability to travel long distances allows them to disperse seeds along the forest floor. This is important to conserving their habitat and facilitating biodiversity. The ecology of the rainforest depends on the seed dispersal for germination of different plants, aiding in their population. This act is important to the already damaged rainforests. Current plans, laws, and outreach programs such as these combine research and conservation to help protect the population of the Borneo orangutan. At local, state, and international level, Malaysia and Indonesia have developed educational programs and plans that conduct research, protect and restore habitats, they survey rainforests, enforce the law, provide training, and facilitate community outreach programs. However, not all areas of habitat are covered by these laws. The rainforest ecosystem depends on these primates to disperse seeds so that the orangutan and its environment can thrive. As the Borneo orangutan declines, so does the rate of seedling droppings, leading to increased spatial aggression and density-dependent mortality. If these programs and laws do not continue or include all orangutan habitat, the Borneo orangutan will continue to decline, placing great strain on the rainforest ecology. Hopefully, with current conservation plans in place and environmental education programs, the Borneo orangutan might have a chance of survival and be around for years to come.